If every dollar in this world were split evenly among us all, it wouldn't stay the same way for long. Some would grow it, some would spend it, and most people would lose it very fast. Why? Because true wealth doesn't come from how much you have, it comes from what you do with what you have. Hi, money friends. My name is Sifawu. Welcome to my channel. If you're looking to level up your money mindset, your habits, and build lasting wealth, you are in the right place. Make sure you get value out of this video. Also, like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with someone who is ready to take action. So, let's dive in. What is the truth about money or wealth? Even when everyone starts from the same point, some people will sprint ahead while some will remain stuck. What's the reason? It's not luck, it's not background, but a few small, repeatable choices, often missed because they seem too simple to matter. So, over the next 21 days, you're going to be taking back control of your time, your energy, and most importantly, your money. So, let's start this journey together because one small habit today can shift your entire future. Let's look at the three truths about money. Small actions, small little actions is greater than one big one. Consistency builds empire. And secondly, joy funds discipline. And thirdly, you don't chase money. Money aligns with action. So what are we going to be doing in these 21 days? We're starting with day one. Day one, we call it the mirror. What we're doing is we're writing down every source of income, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. We're also writing down every expense, fixed, variable, and hidden. And then we're going to remove two expenses we know we can take out without paying. Also, we're going to write two talents or interests we can learn today that can earn us income. This is not about judging. What are we doing? We're building momentum. So where are you on day one? Now we're on day two. We're going to be cutting the cost. We're canceling, we're pausing, we're reducing whatever we can. So all the forgotten subscription, all unused membership, we're going to be stopping them. We're going to be canceling them. Daily convenience purchases, we're going to be pausing them for the next 21 days. We're trying to free up at least $20 a week. And we're going to be opening a brokerage account for that $20 that we're freeing up. And the three is selling the clutter. Find one item in your home, sell it, a jacket, a gadget, or an old textbook that you're no longer using. Cash is great, but more than that, this resets your brain to turn stuff into opportunity. And the 4 to 6, we are doing skill sprint. Pick one micro skill you enjoy and spend 30 minutes a day to learn it from free online tools like YouTube. Day 6, list your skill on a freelancing platform at a very affordable price, at a beginner price. All you need is just one client to prove you, and it is real. Moving on to day 7, is going to be visualize what. Take a quiet walk, stretch. Now imagine a life where your investment covers your rent, covers your bills, and also gives you freedom. Athletes visualize before winning. So should you when you want to win with your money. And the 8 to 10, we're doing the 3 for 3 rule. Each day, do 30 minutes block of produce income. That means sell, freelance, or pitch something that can bring money to you. 30 minutes on study investing. Basis, just the basis, like index fund, ETFs. Read and listen to a financial book or a podcast. That's 90 minutes a day. And you're going to be building your skill, your income, and also your mindset. And day 11, we're doing our first investment. Remember the $20 we were freeing up before. So whatever you've saved up, either $20, $50, $100, we're going to be putting it in a beginner-friendly investment. Maybe ETFs. ETFs are exchange traded fund you can buy in the market, a group of companies coming together to be in one bucket, and it's low risk fund that you can buy in the market. Or you can decide to buy a fractional share. Maybe you want to buy just one company share. $20 can still afford you to buy the fractional share of that company. It's not about the amount, it's about the actions you take on a daily basis. Now, day 12 to 15, we're automating our funds. We're setting up an automatic transfer, even if it's 3% of your income, from our checking account into our investment account. Now we have a brokerage account, right? Now we're going to label that fund Freedom Fund. We are in day 16 now. We're going to grow your circle. Find 3 people doing what you want. Maybe flipping houses, freelancing, investing. Reach out, ask a question. You will learn more from one real conversation than 10 random videos. That's what you're doing on day 16. On day 17, we're writing down the summary. Write 1 page. What have you learned? What changed? What you feel proud of? Place it somewhere. You see it daily. What does this do? It locks in your growth. And day 18, you're solving a real problem. Use your existing skill to offer a service that solves a problem. Maybe edit a video, design a graphics, translate a document, maybe write a caption. Ask for feedback, not just cash. Feedback is currency too. And day 19, no spend day. So we're going 24 hours without spending a single dollar. No takeout, no impulse buying, no threats. And I do not pray for any emergency. So that is what we're doing on day 19. Now, day 20, review your growth. Add it all up. Money earned, money saved, money invested. Use a simple compounding calculator. You'll be shocked what small weekly changes can do over the next 12 months. And day 21, we're celebrating our progress. Spend 5 minutes of your total savings on something meaningful, maybe a journal, a book, a solo dinner, just to reflect. A small reward helps the brain locks in progress. What's different now? You've gone from consumer into a creator. You've gone from a spender into an investor. And you've gone from waiting into acting. You may not have millions yet, but your wealth engine is running quietly and quickly. Then results will show. Now, here are the 4 rules for you to keep going consistently. Buy ownership, not stuff. Don't just buy things. Buy ownership. Connect with people. Don't isolate. Use system, not motivation. System pays off on the long run. Now, here's the final message. Everything we admire, either freedom, peace, options, starts with a habit. These 21 days may be your turning point. No more waiting. No more assuming wealth is for someone else. Track weekly, celebrate small wins, and keep learning. The money reset starts with you. I hope you gained something from today's video. If you did, please leave a comment because it helps this channel to grow, and also subscribe to the channel. Share it with family and friends who need to hear this as well. Bye.